What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been gone for a while. I know I deserve a slap or two myself. Oh wow! So this video is going to be quite different from the usual tutorials that we usually do on this channel. In today's video, we're basically going to be taking a look at someone's project, a subscriber's project. Yeah, one of you worked on my project and sent it to me, so that's what we're going to be taking a look at in this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I produce daily videos based around programming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at one of my subscribers' projects. Yeah, so some weeks back or some months back, I created a WhatsApp UI clone and I uploaded a video, and I got a comment from a subscriber, and he was very interested in the UI design, and he asked for permission to use the source code. So I was like, yeah, sure, you can check the source code out in the GitHub repository. So of course he got the link, worked on the project, and in my next video he wrote a comment again saying he had sent a mail to me to check out his project. So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll definitely check it out. And I won't lie, it took probably a week to check his project because I was really busy. Right now, the main reason why I haven't uploaded a lot of videos is basically because it's the ending of the semester and we have different tests and exams coming up. So as you all know, we have to study, else I won't have a YouTube channel anymore. So if you know, you know. So yeah, that's the main reason why I haven't been uploading and grinding as much as I would like to on YouTube. So that being said, so this guy made a fantastic project. When I took a look at the project, I was like, really impressive. And so I won't even talk much about I'm not going to spoil the project for you, so I'm just going to show you what this guy did. So let's jump right onto my computer and I'll show you what he did.
Okay, so this is the original project, the original WhatsApp UI clone. So yeah, so basically he took this design and turned the UI into an application. So now let's check the files. So what I really like about this project is that he added a readme file explaining what his application does. So basically the app is an interpreter that can convert your chat log into a nice structured WhatsApp UI design. So if you have like an exported chat log and you saved it as a .txt file, you can use this application to import the .txt file, and it's going to like structure them in a normal WhatsApp UI system. So it left an instruction on how to use the app and also the features of the app. So it said it has a dark mode option and a line break bug fix, and also gave acknowledgement to the channel. Big ups to you for giving this channel a shout out. And if you would like to check this guy's GitHub, I'm going to link his GitHub repo in the description so you can check it out. And I really appreciate this guy for taking such a simple project and turning it into a really nice project, a really nice application. So now let's take a look at his JavaScript file. what I really like about this project is that his work is really neat. And first of all, the first thing I noticed when I checked his project was that he left comments explaining what he was doing. So you know this guy really knows what he's doing. That's why I try to leave comments in all my tutorials so you understand what each section is about. So the fact that he left comments in his code, I really respect that, and I really like that. And his code is really neat. So now that being said, let's take a look at the project itself. So here's the project, and here's the project. Yeah, I think this should be the dark mode. I don't know if it's dark mode because I can't really see. I don't really understand this language. Okay, for me, the only thing I would change is this button right here, just to make it have like a nice button that you can easily click on instead of not designing this at all. That would be the only thing I would mention. And I don't think the dark mode feature is working, so that's also something you want to check. And so now let's check how this application works. So I'm going to import a chat log. If you want this project, just let me know. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. So here's a chat log. So this is an example, and I'm going to open this, and yeah, so you can see it structures the exported chat log and imports it, and also makes it really structured in a what's it called, in a WhatsApp UI design. So if anyone can make this project, can take this project and make it responsive, that would be really nice. I really like engagement on each project we drop. So that'll be all for the review. That's basically all for the review. Just make sure you check on this button. And for the dark mode, I don't know if the dark mode is working, and I doubt dark mode is working. But yeah, that will be all. So I would appreciate if you guys can work on the responsiveness, and you can take other projects such as different websites we've done, or NFT website, anyone you like, and try to make it more complex. That's what I really like. Try to make it more complex. Send me an email or DM me on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and I'll be happy to check it out and review your application for you. So yeah, so basically that's all about the review.
So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like on this video. Comment down if you like this type of videos and you would like me to take a look at your own project. You can hit me up on my email or Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram link in the description so you can check it out and you can drop a follow. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, comment, share, and that'll be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.